All right, welcome back, fellas. I hope you're all having a wonderful night. So today, I'm super excited because today is basically Mid-Ohio Vintage Days Eve. It is Sunday before Mid-Ohio Week, and I am pumped. I know some of you guys are heading out that way. Maybe it's your first year, maybe it's your 25th year. The excitement never changes. It's always super exciting, super kind of tense because you're building up all the anticipation and stuff. And the weather forecast this year looks great, which is making this even more exciting. So I hope all you guys that are heading out there get there safe, have no problems. I hope you guys got all your projects ready. I was wrenching in the garage yesterday for about 12 and a half hours getting that CT70 ready. I couldn't even film it because if I filmed it, I wouldn't have got it done. But it's running and it's kind of kick-ass, and so I'm super pumped about that. Johnny Mac stopped over and helped me with a little bit of the wiring and then bothered the hell out of me the rest of the day, which is basically why I love him so much. So, but here's the thing about Mid-Ohio, and if you've been a long time, I'm sure you have this too. If it's your first time, you're going to get this later, is that you're going to get some lifelong friends. And the weird part is some of these people, I talk to these people through chat or text or group text pretty much every day of the year, but we only get to see each other rarely, like at Mid-Ohio and maybe a race or something like that. So I'm not a big religious guy per se, but if there was something close to it, I would say Mid-Ohio is kind of my recentering. I get to see all my friends and just have the best time, man. And I just cannot wait to see everybody. If you've never been there, if you've never come down to our FEMA camp, if you've never, come down and hung out with us, we're not kidding when we tell you on the podcast. Like, this is what we go down there for. We put on an event for you guys. So come, hang out, have a drink, have some food. All we ask is that you be respectful and cool. And that's pretty much it, but we're serious. That's kind of what we've been doing for years. We take it seriously. And we're going to have some cool stickers. I think Phil's going to have some Cleveland Moto stickers and all kinds of stuff. So definitely come down. We're down in Kentucky Corner. You'll see like 5 blue Summit tents all set up together. That's our FEMA camp. So if you see that, come on in, say hi. If we're not there, grab a chair, relax. Just again, be respectful. And we'll see you there. So, all right. I still have to go and figure out if any of my tents work, figure out what I'm going to sleep on, and then get my shopping list together and everything else. But I got a couple of running pit bikes, which is what I wanted to accomplish. So I'm pretty excited about that. So we will see you guys at Mid-Ohio. If you're not going, make plans to go next year. If you are going, I cannot wait to see everybody there. Everything works. Nothing's dumb at Mid-Ohio. See you guys there.